Okay, so this box is cute. It says be a cutie with QT hair. Like, okay, so this company is new for me. This is my first time working with them, and they sent me this wig with all of these goodies. This is an 8x5, 24-inch, 200 density water wave unit. And when I say she is full, baby, she is full. Okay, so the hairline comes pre-plucked, and the knots are so tiny. Like, oh my god, I've never seen so small knots before. So I'm gonna take off the stuffing, and this is what the inside looks like. You could go in and bleach the knots if you want to, but they're so small you could cover it with makeup. So I did put it on me so I could see how it was gonna fit, and the fit is good. I have a big head, so if you are big head, this is definitely big head friendly. If you do have a small head, you can make this smaller, and it will definitely fit you as well. Okay, so in order to put this on, I am going to use my spray, and I'm going to spray it down and blow dry it till it gets fully dry, and I'm going to do that to both sides. So when I was working with this hair, it was extremely soft, and I did not get any shedding, okay? And the lace was super thin. So I was very impressed with this hair. I do feel like this is probably the best quality water wave wig that I've had in a while, okay? And so I was just trying to see like if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. So I just decided to do like kind of like a flip over method, kind of, but with a little like it's a small spot part, but it's still a flip over method because the part is not defined. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pull down some baby hairs, cut them and curl them and lay them down. So once the baby hairs are laid down, I am going to go ahead with my wax stick and put that in the front of the hairline and press it to just to make sure that all the flyaways, if there were any flyaways, that they are down and they're in the front of the hairline. Is super neat because I like a pretty neat hairline for the most part. And then at this point, I'm going to just play with the hair. I'm going to fluff it out because I was feeling it. I was like, oh, okay, she cute, she cute. This is definitely giving summer vibes. I love this. I would have loved it even more in a longer length. I don't know. Would you wear this wig? I would. I will. I will. I'm gonna rock the heck out of this wig. Like, she is cute. So I was going to wet this hair and like put product in it, but honestly, I'm loving what it's giving. So this, they said this is 24 inches. but it is wavy curly hair. So if you pull it, it's definitely going to give you 24 inches. But because it's in a wavy curly state, it's definitely shorter. So if you know you want your hair longer, then I would say buy a longer length. 28. 28. Okay, so I'm loving the frizziness, the fluffiness. Like, I like this. I love this. And especially going into summer, this closure, it's a closure. This closure, it goes from temple to temple. So it gives you the illusion of a frontal when it's not a frontal, and it don't have the maintenance of a frontal. That's what I like. I like to throw things on and off. Now, I did myself use a little lace bond, but you don't have to use this. It comes with combs, it comes with adjustable straps, it comes with an elastic band that you can put on there, and it won't move. But me, I don't know, like, I feel like the shape of my head, I literally feel like the shape of my head make my lace flap up like this. So I literally have to use something to lay my lace down. So yes, and as for the lace is thin. If you are anywhere of my skin tone, then you are going to have to tint your lace back. If you're lighter, you'll be definitely fine with leaving the lace how it is. But if you are on a more chocolate or like caramelly chocolate complexion, you are definitely going to have to tint your lace a little bit because it might come off a little ashy on you. But other than that, the lace is soft. I have no issues with that. It did come customized, but you know, you could go in there and pluck a little bit more if you like a more realistic hairline instead of a full hairline. But just know, when you pluck a lot, it's not gonna last long. All right. And I did tint mine's back with my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and as you can see, my lace is still glueless. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. I am going to go shopping, so I need to go, but I just want to throw on something because I didn't want to go walking around in my meat meals, you feel me? So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Everything in this video will be down below in the description box, okay? If you want the link to this hair, I will have it down there for you as well, okay? So until next time, bye, best friends.